Example 8. Find the maximum and or minimum points A. Y equal to 4 plus 3x minus x cubed. Okay, for this question, the question asks us to find the maximum or minimum point for the function y equal to 4 plus 3x minus x cubed. Okay, so first of all, we have to find the stationary point. This is a function given, and then to find the stationary point, we know that we have to differentiate it. After we differentiate the function, we will get 3 minus 3x squared. Okay, as we know, to get the stationary point, the dy dx must be equal to 0. So we will write our dy dx, 3 minus 3x squared is equal to 0. Okay, after that we try to simplify. We will move 3x squared to the right hand side. It becomes 3x squared is equal to 3. So x squared equal to 1. So x is equal to plus minus 1. After we get the value of x, now we can find the corresponding y. By substitute the value of x into our function y, so we get when x equal to 1, the y is equal to 4 plus 3 times 1 minus 1 to the power of 3. So you will get the answer 6. Next, when x equal to negative 1, the same thing we substitute into the function, you will get the answer for y is equal to 2. So means that the stationary point are 1, 6 and negative 1, 2. After we get the stationary point, now we can test the point by using the first derivative test. Okay. So for point 16, first of all, we can draw the table, and at the middle column, we can substitute 1. And then the column before, we can substitute any number less than 1. And the column after, we can substitute the number greater than 1. So now we substitute 1 minus into our dy dx, you will get the answer positive. Then when we substitute 1 into our dy dx, we will get 0. 1 plus, we will get minus. Means that at the point 16, you will get a maximum point. So 16 is a maximum point when we test it by using the first derivative test. For negative 1, 2, we'll use the same step to solve the equation. Okay, first of all, we'll draw a table, and then we'll put the x negative 1 at the middle column. So we'll test a value. When we substitute negative 1, negative, into our dy dx, we'll get negative. When we substitute negative 1, we'll get 0. When we substitute a number greater than negative 1, we'll get positive. So the slope is decrease, horizontal, and increase. Means that negative 1, 2 is a minimum point. So this is a first derivative test.